Hi, my name is Leanne Chan, and I decided to do for my Designing with Passion project all about Classdojo. And as you can see, my school is now a Classdojo school. In order to even start Classdojo, I introduced some of our teachers that were not used to it, how to log on to Classdojo, what resources they have. I even showed examples of how to create their own Classdojo and how they can use it. In the first page, you see that our school is now a Classdojo school. Bladensburg Elementary School now has a Classdojo page, and many of our teachers have a Classdojo. As you can see, 66 of our teachers are signed on. Resources for teachers. I will show you some resources that teachers can use after we take a little tutorial of my own Classdojo. And after the tutorial, you will see useful tools. All right, in my homepage, you see a demo class, which all teachers have, your class that you create, and you can have archive classes, as it says right here. And you can see all the teachers at my school and popular teacher resources. In my Classdojo, you can have co-teachers. Co-teachers like the other teachers if you are a departmentalized grade, your PE teachers, PC teachers, they can be co-teachers with you. This is my Classdojo right now in my school. I have 22 students log into Classdojo. They all have their own icon. They all earn points in my Classdojo as a classroom management behavior in my classroom, and it works well. This is like a home page, just like a Facebook. You can see that I can write posts. There is a translation option. I can have my parents like it. They can leave comments. And you can see how many actually viewed. Another new feature with Classdojo is the access to have a file uploaded to your Classdojo that parents can click and it'll upload. For example, that's our newsletter for the whole entire school. Also, parents can leave comments just like on Facebook, social media sites. Parents can leave a comment after I create my own post. I also can send a message to the whole class, all my parents that are connected. I have right now 24 parents connected to my Classdojo. I can send a message to all my parents, and you can see that 20 of my parents saw it. I can communicate one-to-one with my parents, which is one of the biggest reasons why we are using Classdojo at my school. I can write a comment, and my parents can write it in a language that they speak, and this is a really cool feature you're going to see on the next slide. They use Google Translate to translate what my parents may have said in their native language into English so that I can understand what they are asking of me. I can send it to them, and it will translate it into Spanish, as you can see. This is one of the new cool features of Classdojo, and I'm trying to implement it with the other teachers at my school. There are so many different resources that we can use as teachers with our students on Classdojo. And on the next slide, you're going to see some. Morning message, now interactive. You can have a morning message that is posted on your whiteboard every morning for students to see. It allows you to have more space in the classroom. You don't have to always have a piece of paper up. I can leave a prompt about routine writing. When my students go into centers and into rotations, I can leave up the routine writing for what they have to do for their writing. It helps when I have students getting pulled out of the classroom. There's also an option to do think, pair, share. While the students are on the carpet with me, I can leave this prompt up. Why do you like being little? After hearing our story, I like to be little. I can have my students talk to each other about this question. Another cool feature, music. While your students are working at their desk, you can have focus music and maybe active music for indoor recess. And this is the icon that pops up while they are listening to the music. I can create groups. I have 3 reading groups in my classroom right now, and the groups can get points as well. And they love that feature because they love to earn points in my classroom. And I'm trying to show the other teachers in my school all about the points. New this year, I am not really using it with first grade just yet. We are trying to do it with the upper grades, portfolios. Students can have their own portfolios and their own posts that you as a teacher can see, and the students can see what they've posted. How about you take the initiative, be a part of Classdojo just like everybody else in our school is now doing, and I'm there to help them every step of the way.